Welcome to Compare to Win. The best paper pot is probably one of the most innovative gardening tools I've come across. If you're looking to start seeds or transplant seedlings, this is a game changer. It simplifies the process, making it easier to create biodegradable pots directly from paper. This method minimizes root disturbance, leading to healthier plants and a more successful gardening experience. Let's dive in and see what makes this tool so special. Number 5. AeroPress Original Coffee Press. This is the AeroPress Original, the first of its kind. It combines 3 brewing methods into one compact device. It gives you a smooth, rich cup of coffee in a short time. It's a combination of French press, pour over, and espresso. This patented 3-in-1 technology delivers a full-bodied cup in under 2 minutes. You will enjoy a delicious coffee without bitterness. Air pressure and microfiltration speed up extraction. This process reduces bitterness, allowing you to enjoy the full flavor of the coffee beans. You can taste the different notes from the beans. Brewing is simple: add coffee and water, wait, then press. Cleaning is just as easy: pop out the grinds and rinse. It's fast and easy, whether you're at home or on the go. It offers full control over brew time, temperature, and grind size. You can personalize your coffee, from classics to cold brew. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for travel. What we like? This brewer combines French press, pour over, and espresso methods, offering a rich, full-bodied cup in under 2 minutes. It extracts the best flavors without the bitterness. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to enjoy a delicious cup of coffee, no matter where you are, this is a great choice. What people say. The paper potter is a great tool for making seed starting pots. It works perfectly every time. The design is simple and effective. Number 4. Ctizne Air Fryer Paper Liners. These air fryer paper liners come in a convenient box, ready to use. The non-stick coating reduces grease and spills, making cleanup a breeze. It helps keep your dishes clean and delicious. These liners are heat-resistant up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit and fit various appliances. You can use them in air fryers, toaster ovens, microwaves, and more. It is perfect for making pizza, bacon, and other foods. They are made from raw wood and food-grade silicone oil coating. The liners are unbleached, BPA-free, and PFAS-free, ensuring safe and non-toxic cooking. It keeps your food mess-free. The package includes 100 round parchment paper liners. They are bowl-shaped, designed to fit 3 to 5 QT air fryers. It makes putting food in and out easy without any leakage. Ctizne aims to make life creative and simple. They provide premium air fryer parchment paper liners and accessories. It is designed for cooking lovers. What we like? These liners are designed to make your air frying experience easier and cleaner. They are heat-resistant up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your food cooks evenly. If you want to save time on cleaning and enjoy mess-free cooking, you should consider these liners. What people say. I have used this for several years and it works great. I have had mine for several years and it is still going strong. This is a great product. Number 3. AeroPress Go Portable Coffee Maker Kit. This compact coffee system lets you brew rich coffee in under 2 minutes. It includes a portable brewer and a lightweight mug with a silicone lid. You can easily make hot or iced coffee while traveling, camping, or hiking. It combines French press, pour over, and espresso methods into one device. This results in a rich, full-bodied cup in under 2 minutes, without bitterness. You'll enjoy the full flavor of your coffee beans. Air pressure and microfiltration speed up extraction, reducing bitterness. This allows you to experience the full range of flavors, from smooth notes to the roast level. It's designed to bring out the best in your coffee. To brew, add coffee and water, wait 30 seconds, then press. Cleaning is simple: just pop out the grinds and rinse. It's fast and easy, whether you're at home or on the go. It gives you full control over brew time, temperature, and grind size. You can personalize your coffee, from classic brews to cold brew and espresso-style drinks. Enjoy your favorite coffee, your way. What we like? This is a compact travel coffee system, perfect for brewing smooth, rich coffee in under 2 minutes. It includes a portable brewer and a mug. If you are a traveler, hiker, or camper, this is the perfect companion for your adventures, allowing you to enjoy great coffee on the go. What people say. The paper potter is a great tool for making seed starting pots. It works perfectly every time. I have been using it for years and it is still in great shape. Number 2. Esschert Design W4008 Paper Pot Maker. This is a clever tool for making seed pots. It's designed to help you create pots from newspaper quickly and efficiently. The paper pot maker is easy to use. It simplifies the process of starting seeds. The set includes a paper pot press. It also comes with instructions to guide you through the process. With this tool, you can prepare your own pots. It's a great way to recycle newspaper and get your garden started. Get ready to start your seeds. This tool makes gardening more accessible and environmentally friendly. What we like. This tool allows you to make seed pots from newspaper. It's a simple and eco-friendly way to start your seeds. If you are a gardener who wants to reduce plastic use and start seeds in an environmentally friendly way, this is perfect for you. What people say. This makes the perfect little seed starting pots out of newsprint. With the paper pot maker, the paper breaks down when it gets wet and allows the roots to break through easier than peat. I love that I can then plant the paper pots in another pot or directly into the ground when it is time to transplant. This is especially useful for plants with delicate roots or that are prone to transplant shock since they don't have to be removed from the pot they were started in. Number 1. Burgon and Ball Beige Paper Pot Maker. Introducing the Burgon and Ball Paper Pot Maker. This handy tool is perfect for starting seeds and seedlings. It's a great way to get your garden growing. Crafted from durable wooden material, this pot maker is built to last. You can rely on it season after season. It's a sustainable choice for your gardening needs. This tool is ideal for seeds, seedlings, and young plants. It provides the perfect environment for them to thrive. It helps you nurture your plants from the very beginning. The design is gorgeous, even when it's not in use. It will look great in your shed or greenhouse. It's a stylish addition to your gardening tools. The best part? It makes pots from newspaper. This is an eco-friendly way to start your plants. It's a simple, effective, and sustainable solution. What we like. This pot maker is made from durable wooden material and is perfect for seedlings and young plants. It is also aesthetically pleasing. If you like gardening and want a beautiful and practical tool for starting your plants, this is a great choice. What people say. The paper potter is a great tool for making seed starting pots. It works perfectly every time. I have been using it for a few weeks now and I am very happy with the results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.